Playtime Pops. Let's learn about some natural disasters. These can be pretty scary. This is a tornado. A tornado is like a giant spinning top made of air. Tornadoes can pick up things and be very strong, so it's important to stay safe if there's a tornado warning. This is an earthquake. An earthquake is when the ground shakes because big pieces of earth move around. It's like when you shake a blanket. It can make things move, so it's important to stay safe. This is a flood. A flood happens when there's too much water, and it spreads over the land like when a bathtub overflows. Floods can be very big and messy, so it's important to be careful and stay away from the water. This is a forest fire. The fire can spread quickly, so it's important for firefighters to put it out as soon as possible. This is a volcano. A volcano is like a big mountain that can spit out hot lava, ash, and smoke. It happens when melted rock from inside the earth comes out through a crack at the top. Here's a tsunami. It's a huge wave caused by an earthquake under the sea. It can be very powerful. Here's a hurricane. A hurricane is like a giant spinning top made of wind and clouds. It starts over warm ocean water, gets bigger, and can bring a lot of strong wind and rain. Here's a blizzard. A blizzard is like a huge snowstorm with very strong winds. It makes the snow fall hard and fast, and the wind blows it around, so it can be really hard to see and stay warm. Here's a drought. A drought is when it doesn't rain for a long time, so the ground and plants get very dry. It's like when you forget to water your plants and they start to wilt because they're thirsty. Here's an avalanche. An avalanche is like a huge, fast wave of snow that slides down a mountain. It happens when a lot of snow builds up and suddenly breaks loose, rushing down the slope like a big snowy slide. Here's a thunderstorm. Look at the lightning and rain. Listen for thunder. This is a landslide. A landslide is when a bunch of dirt and rocks suddenly slide down a hill or mountain. It's like if you knock over a big pile of blocks and they all tumble down. This is a cyclone. A cyclone is a big storm that spins around in circles. It has strong winds and lots of rain, kind of like a giant spinning top made of wind and water. This is a thermostat during a heat wave. That's when it gets much hotter than usual for a long time. This is a sandstorm. A sandstorm is when strong winds blow a lot of sand around, making it hard to see and making everything really dusty. This is a tidal wave. A tidal wave, also known as a tsunami, is a huge wave that's much bigger than normal waves. It happens when there's a big underwater crash, like an earthquake, and it sends a giant wave toward the shore. This is a hailstorm. A hailstorm is when little balls of ice, called hail, fall from the sky along with rain. It's like tiny ice rocks dropping down instead of regular raindrops. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Playtime Pops for more videos like this. See you on the next video.